Metastasis occurs when primary tumor cells leave the tumor, get into the bloodstream, pass through the circulatory system, and then find new tissue to colonize. Belgian scientists at a research institute at the Université Catholique de Louvain say they have discovered a way to prevent the metastasis of primary tumors from breast and melanomic cancer cells in mice.
When you have few metastases, this is still manageable for therapy, but when you have a lot of metastases all around your body, you are good for palliative care as a patient. It's sad to say so. So what we found is a treatment able to prevent metastasis, and of course this will offer a high hope for these patients which are at risk for metastasis.
Cancer specialists say metastasis is a complicated process about which much is still unknown.
For example, cells have to change their shape in order to metastasize, and we don't understand basic questions about how cells can change their shape.
The Belgian team led by Pierre Sonvaux has found the mechanism by which cells can control changes caused at least in part by free radicals. The free radical involved in the metastasis of tumor cells is superoxide. Tests in mice on melanoma and breast cancer cells showed that administering an antioxidant stopped the production of superoxide. That in turn prevented cell changes that would lead to metastasis.
In some of these models, we found a 100% response. It means that we prevented by 100% the dissemination of metastasis. And when you are a scientist and when you find this, you just fall on the ground. I mean, this is a very nice result.
The research published in the journal Cell Reports has drawn praise from other scientists. Chris Bacall at the Institute of Cancer Research in London says the findings could lead to the development of a therapy to prevent the spread of metastatic cancer cells by blocking pathways to free radicals.
What it suggests is that by targeting these pathways, these free radical pathways, it could represent a way, a therapeutic avenue by which to inhibit metastasis, which we weren't necessarily clear of before. So this provides, if we lower the amount of free radicals in metastatic cells, it suggests we could prevent metastasis.
Belgian researchers say they now want to find out if this strategy can be applied to prevent metastasis of other tumors, such as colon cancer, lung cancer, and prostate cancer. The next step would be developing the necessary drugs and starting clinical trials on cancer patients. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.